Yeah, hi team. This is Anvesh from Team 6. Now let me show the demo for lab assignment 3. So first of all, in lab assignment 3, they ask you to create a mean stack client server application having a database, having MongoDB collections are related to my project, and also we need to do the CRUD operations in home page, and the create, fetch, update, and delete should be done, and updates has been recorded. The records has been created and updated in the MongoDB collections, and also I need to use one node module for my which it is related to my project, and rest after completing all these points, the project should be deployed in Heroku. So first of all, let me show the demo for this. So here deployed my code in Heroku. So by using some commands which will be explained by my partner Prakash. And first I will show the demo for this. So this is the Heroku URL and Heroku app where I have been created for this lab assignment 3. Let me take one user from MLab to get into home page. So in registration details there are 15 users. So first of all, I am taking this user Hiresh name, username as asd@gmail.com, password as 1234. So let me go there. So I'm giving username as asd@gmail.com 1234. So I'm giving login. So it is going to home page. So here it will show welcome Hiresh, so on. So this and a project related thing. So for this assignment, I need to show create, update, delete, and fetch operations. So here, first of all, I will show the create operation. So why Java is called a platform independent. Before that, I will show in answers collection whether the answers are present or not. So here in answers collection, there are 0 documents. Let me create a new document from here. So I'm giving why Java is called a platform independent, because of platform independent and bytecode. Sorry, because of bytecode and execute on any OS. So if I give the evaluate button, automatically a new document has been inserted in answer collection with answer ID and user ID and question ID. So I'm giving evaluate. So it's showing the alert has details are saved successfully in MongoDB, and I will check the question answer has been inserted or not. So you can see here the one answer document has been inserted in answers collection with user ID as asd@gmail.com and question ID is 1. And answer is because of bytecode and execute on any OS what I have been given in UI here. So let me check for second question to check whether the question IDs are coming same or different. So this is MKC student. So I'm giving evaluate here. So it will show the pop-up. Let me go and check here. So you can see here the question ID are different and user ID is same, but the answer is also different. And next, so this is the create operation. Let me show the update operation for this. So now I'm going to update this answer to because of bytecode, and I am removing this part. If I give update, then already a new record won't be inserted. Already existing record will be updated. So let me show that. So I am giving update. So it is details are updated successfully in MongoDB. Now we will check in MongoDB in answers collection whether details are updated or not. So for first question with the same user ID, the answer has been updated from because of bytecode and execute on any OS to because of bytecode. So this is an update operation. Now let me check for let me show the delete operation how it is working. So if I give, I will remove this answer. So if I give this delete operation, then the particular answer description with user ID and question ID will be deleted from answers collection. So I am giving delete. So it is showing the pop-up. Details are deleted successfully. It is saying by Fright and Cat, what is this my app name? So let me check. This is the first question what have been deleted. So I'm refreshing. So one document has been deleted. Let me check whether it is a question 1 or question 2. So you can see here question ID is 2. So the first question ID 1 document has been deleted. So this is the delete operation. Let me delete the second one also. So it is deleting. So you can see here. So all questions, all answers are deleted in answers collection. So as of now, I showed create, update, and delete operations. Now let me show the fetch operation. So for fetch operation, I'm showing I'm showing these 4 questions. I will say what are these 4 questions. So in questions collection, there are total 4 questions. So these 4 questions will be added by an admin, which it is present in the UI page. So once the admin added the questions, each question will come and store here. What are all the questions present in this questions collection? I am taking that questions collection. I am taking the questions from this question collection, and I'm trying to show in home page. That means it is none other than fetch operation. So I am fetching the questions what is present in the questions collection, and I am showing in home page. So we will see what are the questions present in questions collection. So first question is why Java is called platform independent. So first question is this one, why Java is called platform independent. And second question is who is Anvesh. Same question. And third question, so somebody deleted in my team deleted the question ID 3. So this is a question ID 4 with question as C++ is hard to learn. So you can see here question 4 C++ hard to. So like this, how many questions are present in the questions collection? That many questions I am fetching and I am showing in homepage UI. So with this I show create, update, fetch and delete operations. So now let me explain the code for this. So first of all, for create operation, so here I wrote ng-click with evaluate as my function name. So I am calling this evaluate function here. So evaluate function here. Here I am calling Node.js URL call answers / create. So go to API app.js. So in app.js, it will check for URL / answer / create. And I'm doing some MongoDB connections and I'm inserting the details into my collection name answers. Once the document has been inserted, it will show the log in backend inserted document into answers collection. If any error occurs, means it will say document insertion is failed. So this is an code for create operation. So now I will show for update. So in update, same thing, I wrote a one function for update and I am calling an URL in from Node.js. So let me show that function for update. So you can see these are my function for update and I am using put method, and for create we need to use post method, and for update we need to use put method. So this is my URL where I am calling for Node.js / answer / update. It will check for that particular URL here. So / answer / update. Here I am first of all I am establishing the Mongo client DB connection. Then I am giving the database name what I am using in MLab, and also I am giving the collections answers where in which I need to specify the collection name, because in which collection there are some multiple collections present in DB. So I need to give the collection name in which collection the details has been updated. So based on the question ID and user ID, I am setting the answer description. So due to that details have been updated successfully. Now let me show for delete. So same thing for delete also. I wrote a function for delete and I'm calling the URL / answers / delete. So you can see here / answers / delete. And same thing, I'm checking for database name and also I'm checking for collection, and I'm deleting the documents based on the question ID and the user ID. So this is the delete operation. So for delete, I use the delete rest call, and for fetch, I will show that. So automatically when the home page has been loaded, the fetch operation will be called and the questions will be displayed. So this is the uh, URL for, I mean, these are REST call for fetch. So question slash fetch in app.js, it will check for that particular URL. And one sec, it will search for, yeah, this is a URL. I mean, fetch is get method is used to fetch the details. So question fetch, and I'm checking for DB, and I'm giving a DB ordered collections of questions. So from that particular questions collection, I am retrieving each and every details present in this collection by using this find method. So this is a code explanation for CRUD operation. And next thing, after this CRUD operation, I need to show the node module part. It will be explained by my partner Prakash. Over to you.
Hi, this is Prakash. Here, my party is creating a node module. Here, here we have.
So let me open in app.js. We wrote a code for node module. So first of all, what is this node module in the sense?
Here in this. So I am Prakash. Here we have created we two two files.
So here in node module, so my node module is a node module is a node mailer. So what is the purpose of this node mailer is we can send mails from one user to another user. So let me Prakash will explain the code for this.
In this we have the in which we have given auth authentication. We using your authentication. We have given all the things necessary like user client ID, client secret, and we have generated all this value using auth authentication process. From there, here we can see here there are some things like a mail option, some something where we need to send the mail Prakash Traveler.
And also he created a client ID and client secret and refresh token with his with his Gmail credentials. Then the process will be go on.
Here there are mail options where from which mail I am going to give and where it needs details. The Dino.mandadi is my friend's or the other partner's number. Here we are giving the text node mail application test for the lab 3 and and that is the subject, and we are given some simple text which will be received by the mail partner. And here is some of the, if there is something error in the function, it will show me the error, or it will tell me the email sent option, and we can see here.
It will give that email sent console.log. So once we will get that one, we will check in email whether you have got or not.
Once when we start the application.
So here we have two emails.
Once we this is the test mail where when initially we have done all those things. When we have deployed the project whole into the Heroku, this is the mail which we got from the Heroku telling the subject as this, and the
once we start the Heroku server, then app.js server will be called. At the time of once the server has been called, then the email will be triggered with the subject what he has been given in app.js node mailer application test for lab L3, and the text is this is a simple mail to show the demo for node mailer which is required for lab assignment 3. You can see here same thing with subject and text. So how many times the server has been launched, that many times this email will be triggered. And this is related to node module. And also Heroku deployment is also done by Prakash. So he will explain each and every command how he has been deployed into Heroku. He done in git bash. So Prakash, please explain these commands.
so here we have used some commands in git bash to get this done process. And here we have here first initially we need to have the git init command where we initialize the git to process the things. When we'll find the when we give the things like git status where to check what are the changes that are done in the project very recently. And next we'll use the command git add, where we need to add the all the files, all the changes files to the git. Once all the things are added to the git, we need to commit with the command git commit, and using the file name. And next after this, once all the files have been sent to the git, we were using the Heroku login, and where we give the credentials and complete and do the login process. Once we have done this, we will just create an app, Heroku create an Heroku app. And next, after completion of this, next we will just push the code into the Heroku using some command like git upstream, and to deploy all the changes, and we will do the all the changes with the URL. And you can, these are all the commands that you have used, and all the files have been transferred to the Heroku. Once all the things have been deployed, we can, this is the URL where the things have been deployed. Once we get how it is deployed.
So what is it? This is a URL. So let me copy paste that one.
And we'll use
So I am giving here what I have been copy pasted from this. So these are home page, which look like as what I have been showed at the starting of that particular video. Same thing I have been given in wiki. Sorry, in wiki. So you can see here, this is my Heroku URL, and rest everything I added here in wiki. And also we given some contribution chart for this. So due to all this, we completed all these activities present in this lab assignment 3. Thank you.
thank you.
Thanks, Prakash.